When you look at pictures of this chessboard, you can get a sense of how it's made and so forth, but there's nothing quite like being able to touch the chessboard. And hopefully the video gets just a bit closer in demonstrating the uniqueness and the appeal of a board that's really well made and in which a lot of thought has been given. I've paired this chess set here with the Scout Shisham wood pieces. Here we have Shisham, here we have boxwood. And that is remarkably close to the color of walnut. Here with the maple, but the walnut fits the dark color pieces very nicely. It doesn't contrast very well, but really once you have it in front of you, it is still impressive. And I do like the complementary colors. Sometimes I like a more contrasting set on the dark side, but here I like the complementary colors. Once again, if you would put this set away, let's take another look at how that would work and how this hinge design looks. But that's why we're demonstrating this here. It's very smooth, just solid smooth.